Watch through the end, because I will explain what it typically costs later. Have you been dealing with a check engine light on a 2020 to 2025 Hyundai? This is not a safety recall, and it is not a mandatory recall repair. It is a dealer bulletin listed as TSB24BE019H with NHTSA ID 11012046. The issue is tied to the active air flap system at the very front. Those flaps open and close to manage airflow through the grille. When this acts up, many drivers do not feel a big change in driving. The main reason they come in is the warning light. In many cases, the scan shows P059A, which points to the grille shutter position sensor circuit. That usually means the system is not seeing the sensor signal it expects. Some owners also notice a message about the active air flap system. Others only see the check engine light with no message. You might notice the light comes and goes, especially after certain weather. That can make the problem feel random and hard to trust. A few people say it shows up after snow, freezing rain, or slushy roads. Others say it happens after highway driving and heavy spray. Some drivers worry about cooling or airflow because the shutters live near the radiator. Even if it drives fine, the light creates stress and failed inspections. Now, here is the dealer-style fix that matches this bulletin. The repair is to replace the active air flap onboard diagnostic sensors. That repair often involves removing the front bumper cover to reach the sensors. After replacement, the codes are cleared and the system is rechecked. Online, some people say dealers first inspect for ice, debris, or a stuck shutter. In a few cases, warming the vehicle indoors makes the warning disappear. If the warning returns, owners say the more permanent route is replacing the sensors. Some also report that the shutter assembly may be replaced if damage is found. The dealer explanation for the root cause is a faulty electrical connection. It is blamed on improper soldering inside the sensor components. A weak solder joint can create an intermittent signal as temperatures change. Vibration and moisture exposure can make that connection fail sooner. If your Hyundai shows these warnings, get it scanned soon so you know what you are dealing with. Now, here is what dealers usually do when this problem shows up again and again. First, they verify the code and confirm it is tied to the active air flap system. They also check for visible damage, debris, and wiring problems up front. If the shutters are stuck from road grime or ice, they may free them and retest. But if the code returns, the common fix is replacing the related sensors. In many cases, the repair requires removing the front bumper cover for access. Then the sensors are replaced, the system is calibrated, and the code is cleared. If the shutter assembly itself is cracked or binding, they may replace the whole unit. That can happen if the mechanism was forced while frozen. Owners online often complain that the check engine light pops on with no drivability change. That is frustrating because it feels minor, but it still demands attention. A common complaint is the light returning after cold weather or heavy rain. People describe it as intermittent, which makes it hard to prove. Another complaint is the fear of overheating or airflow issues. Even if it is unlikely, the warning makes drivers feel uneasy. Some people say they tried cleaning the grille area and rinsing road salt away. Others mention letting the car warm up fully before driving. A few report that the light went away after conditions improved, then came back later. That pattern often leads them to request the dealer repair. For cost, if the repair is covered, many owners pay little or nothing. If it is not covered, dealer pricing can vary widely by labor and parts. A reasonable out-of-pocket dealer range is about $400 to $1,200. If a full shutter assembly is needed, it can reach $900 to $1,800. Independent shops may charge less if they can source the same parts. A typical independent range is about $300 to $900 depending on access time. If you are seeing this warning, get it scanned and ask what is actually being replaced. Then compare the quote to the parts and labor involved. Please like, subscribe, and comment below with your symptoms and repair outcome.